Hey everyone, in today's short video, I'll be giving you simple tips and strategies to succeed with YouTube affiliate marketing. It's something that I have a lot of experience in, and I'll be showing you some of my own case studies with that today. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, my name is Vitaly, and I'm someone that makes a full-time living online, primarily through affiliate marketing. Here are some of my income reports, my major ones that I've made over the past months and even years. I do also have a diversified income portfolio when it comes to this stuff. These are all affiliate sales. This is affiliate earnings over here, and I do have others which are over here. I'm an affiliate for multiple different networks. Some of them make me a good amount of income, some of them make me a little bit, but I do have a diversified income portfolio, which I do recommend eventually as you start to grow in this business. And if you're someone that's a beginner or struggling in affiliate marketing or making money online, there's a resource in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to a guide that will help you get started in this business correctly. There's a lot of bad information out there, and this one really shows you exactly what you need to do in order to make a passive and potentially full-time income in this business, whether as an affiliate and or outside of that. So with that out of the way, let's get to the main subject about YouTube affiliate marketing. It's something that in my experience has a lot of potential if you do this correctly, and the good news is you don't need to be super duper sophisticated about it. You don't need to have crazy editing skills. You don't need to have just some kind of high-end stuff. It helps, but in my experience, simple works best. And I'm going to show you a couple of examples of this. So to start off with, here's some of my income reports when it comes to the Amazon Associates program, and it's not a lot. It's just like a month and a half, like $52. It's not a lot, but I don't spend too much time promoting Amazon products. However, that's not the point. There is also this one over here where last year I made over $460. But how did I make it? It was by making very simple YouTube video reviews. And in this particular case, these four make up a majority of those sales. So in this one, I'm reviewing these trail running shoes called the Salomon Speedcross 5, over 40K views. And there is an affiliate link here as well as over here that takes people to buy it. And the interesting thing too about it is that when people click on these links, for example, this one, even if they don't buy it, but they still keep browsing Amazon and they buy something else, from the moment they click on my link for the next 24 hours, there's a cookie in place which records their sales. So they can buy something other than this after they click on my affiliate link, and I'll still get the sales. And that's actually why there's going to be other sales here that are not related to any of these or whatever I'm promoting in these videos. So that's something that I wanted to get across. But anyway, besides this video here, on this one I'm recording a hiking pole that I use when I go outside. This one I record waterproof socks that really helped me out. And in this one I'm reviewing a winter jacket. Now this winter jacket is the one that's associated with these sales that I made over here. It's associated with an affiliate program called Avant Link, and the rest of these are associated with Amazon. And all I really did in this case was here I was filming myself, here my buddy was filming me, here I was filming myself as well, and again a buddy of mine was filming me here. And these are simple videos. I mean, this is just me recording myself walking in the woods, showing off these shoes and stuff like that, and nothing crazy, no super duper editing, nothing like that. This one is just less than 2 minutes, and it's working really well. It's been up for over 3 years, and these videos work for you after you've uploaded them. So you can make 1, 10, 20, 50 videos, and from the moment you do that, they will keep working for you, provided that you're reviewing something that's actually popular out there. That's why I always put the name of the product that I'm reviewing in the title, as you can see over here, so you should do that as well. That'll make sure that people keep finding your product review, so you get a trickle of views and traffic coming in, and this adds up. So one video might not get you a lot of sales or views unless it's like spread out over, let's say, a year or two, but imagine making 5 videos like these, 10 videos like these, 20, 50, even 100. And even if it's just a little bit of sales like this one over here, the Salomon Speedcross 5 that I'm promoting, in the past, in the past month and a half, I've only, let's see, how many did I make? I think I made 1 or 2. Yeah, 1 and 2s. And these are like about $6, $5.71, $5.60, $11. You know what? Who cares? Because there's a trickle of traffic coming in, and even this is working for me. That's the point I'm trying to make. These videos are working for me while I'm still going about my life, while I'm still doing other affiliate things, maybe making more video reviews. And same thing for this one. Let's look at how much the Trail Buddy, how many sales I made with the Trail Buddy over here. Trail Buddy trekking pole. So 1, 2, just 2 also. And it's not a lot. It's just $1, less than $1. But you know what? It's still working for me. And this is just free video views accumulating over time. And I'm guessing that for the past year, I probably made about 1,000, maybe to 2,000, 1 to 2,000 in sales from Amazon alone, possibly with this one as well. So let's see how much this one made me, the Randy Sun one. So Randy's, oh, there it is. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales. So each of these is $1.62, 96 cents, and this and that. So directly I would say that was maybe about $20, $30. But remember, these other sales came from people clicking on the links and not buying them, but buying something else, which is why I got these extra sales. So there's just so much potential with YouTube affiliate marketing. Again, you don't have to be super duper amazing with editing. I'm certainly not. And you can just simply start by recording yourself reviewing products that you really like, because I would recommend that, because it's easier to review products that you have knowledge about and passion with. You do have to sign up with your respective affiliate network, and they do need to see some kind of website or YouTube channel to know that you're a serious affiliate. But once you get over that first hurdle, then reviewing these products becomes pretty easy, because Amazon gives you access to millions of products to promote. AvantLink gives you access to a lot of outdoorsy products to promote. So there's just so much opportunity, and it really is an incremental thing where there's a trickle of sales coming in. These videos have been up for over a year, 2 years, 3 years in some cases, and they're still bringing in money. Now just imagine making 50 videos like these, 100 videos like these. Those pennies add up to dollars. Those dollars add up to 10, 20, 50, $100. You could potentially be making a small passive income, even a full-time income doing this if you do enough of that, over a long period of time, which then becomes less and less, meaning that you make more money in less amount of time because you're making more videos, and you can make a nice, good side income out of that. On top of that, when you start to grow a YouTube channel, in this case, you can start monetizing your videos and adding even more income on top of that, which is also pennies. But again, it's a game of numbers. More videos means more ad revenue gathered, more potential affiliate revenue gathered, and these things add up to potentially making you a good income on YouTube as an affiliate marketer. So that's what I wanted to get across in today's short video. I know it wasn't that short, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave it below in the comments section. I do a lot of these videos, whatever subject that interests you. I have a wide range of experiences in different affiliate marketing subjects, and as I said before in the beginning of this video, if you are new or struggling and you need that blueprint, that guide, check out the resource below underneath this YouTube video, as well as in the pinned comment. It'll show you how to get started, follow in my footsteps to basically build a full-time career out of this if you're interested, maybe even passive income. So there's a lot of potential in this business. That resource will show you how to do that. These small videos kind of just show you different ways to do these sorts of things, but that's where you want to get the A to Z kind of explanation and guide on how to do that sort of stuff. So thanks a lot for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.